Turntables are not just for playing music, they're about capturing old tunes with clarity. These turntables mix old feelings with new tech, taking us back to classic analog sound. Back when turntables first showed up, they weren't just for music. They were like time machines to a rich sound world. Now, in 2024, the hunt for the best affordable turntable keeps going. These turntables aren't just audio gadgets, they're like time machines, bringing us back to the golden age of analog sound. Today, let's check out the best options out there. We'll talk about their history and how they've evolved from the early days to now. These turntables have features that change how we experience music, making your listening journey better. And don't worry, I've listed the 5 best turntables below, and you can find the best prices for them in the description. Let's explore these turntables together and find ones that mix old charm with new tech. Number 5. ROLIFE HU-KZ006. Looking for the best vintage-style turntable under $300? Consider this one. With wireless connectivity, you can pair it with Bluetooth speakers or headphones for a wire-free experience. No receiver needed. It comes in a sleek bark brown color with a vintage-style cabinet. What's impressive? The included components cover everything you need, from a detachable dust cover to a 45 revolutions per minute adapter. The special features include a wireless output, adjustable counterweight, and an AT3600L moving magnetic stylus for accurate tracking. The authentic belt-driven system and built-in phono preamp enhance the overall experience. The aluminum platter adds mass, damping unwanted vibrations for a 3-dimensional sound with tight bass and improved clarity. Plus, you can record your vinyl via USB to your PC, converting them into MP3 files for digitalized storage and playback. Number 4. Vango RP01. My top choice for best value turntable under $300. It's a seamless blend of timeless allure and modern innovation with Bluetooth, USB, and various playback options. What's included? 2 external speakers, a detachable dust cover, a 9V and 1.3A DC adapter, and a premium vinyl record cleaner kit. The wood material gives it a classic look in brown. The all-in-one vinyl record player offers Bluetooth input, aux audio input, RCA line-out, and a headphone jack. With a 3-speed belt-driven turntable, 33, 45, and 78 revolutions per minute, it accommodates different vinyl record sizes. The auto-stop function protects your records by stopping at the end. Immerse yourself in high-fidelity sound through the built-in stereo speakers. It's easy to use, and you can stream music wirelessly from your smartphone or play music directly from USB devices. Number 3. Angel's Horn Turntable. Presenting the best Bluetooth connectivity turntable under $300. This modern-style turntable in sleek black comes with essential components like a slip mat, aluminum platter belt, counterweight, power adapter, and instruction manual. The Bluetooth 5.0 technology allows you to stream your favorite tunes wirelessly from any compatible device to the turntable with built-in speakers. Experience premium sound quality with 4 speakers designed for high-fidelity audio. It's not just for vinyl. Play music through Bluetooth or the aux port. Equipped with a versatile 2-speed turntable, the belt drive system, and DC servo motor support 33 in 3rd or 45 revolutions per minute, accommodating various vinyl record sizes. The precision tracking with a magnetic cartridge stylus and adjustable counterweight ensures accurate high-definition audio without noise or distortion. Number 2. SeasonLife HU-KZ018. I recommend this for the best high-fidelity turntable under $300. This turntable spins at both 33 in 3rd and 45 revolutions per minute speeds, offering high-fidelity sound. With Bluetooth input and an aux port, it wirelessly plays music from other devices. The built-in amplifier and both phono and line outputs provide versatile playback options. Featuring a diamond-tipped Audio-Technica stylus cartridge, it ensures rich sound and outstanding clarity. The belt drive system and adjustable counterweight contribute to evenly balanced force rotation, delivering authentic sound free from noise and distortion. With a sleek MDF material design and a removable dust cover, it adds a unique touch to your home decor. Number 1. SeasonLife Turntables Vinyl Record Player. and my top pick for the best overall turntable under $300. In classic black with a new element light strip design, it blends retro and modern electronic design for an atmospheric style. Featuring built-in 4 stereo speakers with anti-vibration systems, including 2 30-watt mid-bass speakers and 2 10-watt dome tweeters, it delivers superb quality sound. No need for additional amplifier equipment, just enjoy your vintage vinyl records. With wireless streaming and RCA output, you can pair wirelessly with your Bluetooth devices for a wire-free experience, or use the Phono and RTA line outputs for a more comprehensive sound system. The turntable boasts a diamond-tipped magnetic stylus cartridge for rich sound and outstanding clarity, and the adjustable counterweight ensures perfect playback according to the record weight. This advanced all-in-one vintage turntable in premium black with a light strip and resonance damping feet ensures superior isolation from unwanted vibrations. With a removable dust cover and support for aux input, it offers a definitive vinyl record listening experience. In conclusion, these top-notch turntables under $300 offer a perfect blend of quality and affordability in 2024. Whether you're an audiophile or just getting into vinyl, these picks cater to diverse preferences. For the latest prices and more details, check out the links in the description below. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, share it with your fellow enthusiasts, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and bell icon to stay updated with all our latest content, tips, and reviews. Happy spinning!